Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, thank you. I'm very good. I don't think that you are good today. So, to make sure that you are good, let's sing a song together. Come on. Good morning everybody, how are you? Okay, repeat after me. Good morning everybody, how are you? That's fine. Okay? Again. Good morning everybody, how are you? That's fine. Good morning everybody, how are you? That's fine. Good morning students, good morning teachers, good morning everybody, how are you? That's fine. I think you are all good. So, have you ever seen a cat? Do you know what is a cat in Indonesia? Yes, cat is kucing. So, do you like it? Where have you ever seen this cat? In your house? Or in a park room? I mean in a garage? Or maybe in your neighbor? Okay, so today we will learn about animals. Let's have these pictures. So, let's see these pictures. Okay, when you see the picture, repeat after me of the spell. So, let's have it. What is this? This is a cat. Repeat after me. This is a cat. Next. What is this? This is a dog. Repeat after me. This is a dog. Next. What is this? This is a rabbit. Repeat after me. This is a rabbit. Next. What is this? This is a horse. Repeat after me. This is a horse. Okay. Next picture. What is this? This is a cow. Repeat after me. This is a cow. So, now, when I ask you, what is this? And you answer the picture. For example, this is a cat. So, when I ask you, what is this? You have to answer it. This is a cat. Now, for the first one, what is this? This is a cat. Good. Okay, for the next, what is this? Good. This is a dog. Next, what is this? Good. This is a rabbit. Next, what is this? Good, thank you. This is a horse. For the last, what is this? Good. This is a cow. Good. For all of you are good. Thank you. Now, I want you to sing a song. Okay, class. Do you like sing a song? Oh, good. So, for the next, we will sing a song. But I want to give you an example. After that, you can follow me. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Nah, that is for the example. So, after this, you can follow me. Are you ready, class? Good. Okay, let's start it. Come on. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Are you happy now? I don't think so. Let's move to another one. Repeat after me. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Come on, again. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Again, this is the last one. Okay, are you ready? Good. Come on. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Again. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Good! You are so happy now. So, I want you to remember about the animals that we have learned today. For the first one, I want one of you mention one of the animals that we have learned today. Good! About cat. So, do you like a cat? Oh my god. Thank you, and I like too. Okay, for the next one, the other student, can you mention another animal that we have learned today? Good, a dog. Do you like a dog? Oh, good. Yes, I like to, because it is friendly, right? Okay, for the next one, for another one. A horse. Good. Do you like a horse? Good. And can you ride it? No. Okay, it's no problem. You will learn how to ride a horse. Okay, for another one. Rabbit. Good. I like rabbit too. Because, you know, the ears is longer, right? Okay, so, class, what we have learned today? Yes, animals. So, can you mention it? Or can you mention them? Okay, for the first one. Okay, cat, dog, and then horse, yes, and then rabbit. Okay. Can you mention another one? Ah, good. Okay, I think all of you have learned about those animals. But actually, we have lot of animals in the world. Not for these 5 animals. Actually, we have more. In other occasion, we will learn other animals. So, we call it a day. I think you are all good enough. So, thank you for the day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.